Hi everyone, I'm Spusiso Matsibula, the forex trader in the binary. Here I want to show you some skills that I use to make money in forex, especially when it comes to NASDAQ. I'm trading this my real account, as well as a demo account, because everyone must have a demo account. Why? The reason you have a demo account is the place where you practice all your strategy and the skills. Here guys, I want to make this short video to show you the basic skills. Guys, when you trade this kind of data of index, make sure look the long time frame first. If you look here the time frame here, let me make some arrow line here. See, this is my arrow line. Now this arrow line is representing that the market is still going up, but at the last candlestick we see here we have the bearish candlestick. What means? It means it means these candlesticks represented the lower time frames. It means that on the lower time frames we have the trending downtrend lines. So as you're a real trader, guys, you can't trade when something's going like this. It's very dangerous. What you must do, you must wait this candlestick. You must wait this candlestick to complete itself. After it completing itself, we must wait the second one to full complete again. That means the second one candlestick, if let's say maybe if the second one candlestick would develop here, maybe is the continue with the same like this one, maybe form another bearish candlestick, it means that one is the confirmation candlestick that the market will go down. But when you see something like this, don't trade. It's very dangerous. What you must do, you must just wait the second candlestick to give you the direction. That's why this strategy, we call it the one powerful candlestick strategy, because which that strategy we're talking about, we're talking the candlestick from the day one candlestick. This candlestick is very powerful and can give you a very good profits, a good profit, and at the same time can make you to lose the entire of your money. So every time guys, when you take this trading, make sure you look the long time frame here. So the question is, how can I trade when I see this candlestick? Okay, from there I go to the small time frame to make some confirmation. Let me go to 30 minutes. You'll see here on the 30 minutes it's developing the uptrend, but we don't show that is the uptrend or the down will continue the downtrend. So what must I do here? Must make my target first here. My target here for the entry, I'm talking about the entry target, because what the principle of the forex say, especially when you're trading with the price action, it's saying if the trend is going down, it's more likely to continue to go down again. So we must follow the trend of the trend. But in the NASDAQ in the most of the time is controlling by the fundamentals. Fundamentals very important. So you must know the fundamental when you take trade on the NASDAQ. Let me make an example. If you see now guys, in these days we're facing what you call this epidemic forex, not forex, the coronavirus. Okay, what it means when the coronavirus, it means that a lot of countries are struggling for their economy, because a lot of people, they're losing job, and the way of making money now, they become change. The way of living is very change. The most of people now, they not spend a lot of money on their shopping. The reason why they are fear to go out. So that means what happened to the economy of that country. It means it is the declination. So if you look here, then NASDAQ we know that is the data that come from America. Is the summary of the lots of transaction under the index of America, especially to the stocks. But next time I will make the clear which stock that control the NASDAQ. I will show you. But let's not focus here. If you look the markets here, is the uptrend. Let me go to the weekly time frame. You see here, still the uptrend. A month again, still the uptrend. The reason why, it means, especially in the let me make. You remember, guys, when during the time when we hear about this epidemic of coronavirus, the market during all that time, a lot of pairs, even the index will change their direction. Reason why a lot of can't become shocked because of this epidemic disease or coronavirus. So guys, it's very important when you're trading these things, must look the economic news. If you see some news coming during your trading time, leave the market as it is, because you don't know which direction the news would come, would go after. We don't know the direction of the market will go after the news. So if the day that they have some news, leave as it is. I would show you how the principle when you want to trade the news with the NASDAQ. Okay, let's look here. Okay, as I said before, this is my one candlestick powerful candlestick strategy. That means the day one candlesticks. If you look here, guys, we see some people they will say the uptrend, the downtrend is developing. That is not true, guys. That's not true. It's not a downtrend here. It's not a downtrend. But what I can say, for me, it look like it can continue in the same direction. The reason that would change my reason is when I see the next candlestick it become the bearish again. So if you see and look at the market to find something like this, please guys, wait to the next candlestick. This candlestick, the next candlestick is the one candlestick that can direct you the real market where the market will go. Because here you can form another candlestick here, maybe the twin candlestick. That means the market can go up again. So when you're trading this kind of thing, wait the market to finish this candlestick and look the second one. From there is where you can make an entry point. So the question, how can I make an entry point? That one's very important. Okay, your entry point, guys, we won't find the entry point on the big time frame. Must use the small time frame to get the direction, the next coming direction. Let's look here. Let's say here at the time frame one, we have at the day one, you have two candlestick here. Let's say these are the two bearish candlestick. So now I'm looking the entry point. My entry point there, I would use this. For me, that's working for me. I'll use not this one. I'll use this one. Okay, from there I'll make the drawing line. I'll make the drawing line, the trending line. This is my trending line. No, this is my trending line. Okay, that means I'll put another trending line again. The arrow line, or here I can put the vertical line like this. What these two line means? The bottom one, it means the market change the direction for the uptrend. But the top one, it means if the market can break this one, it means the market will start to forming the solid uptrend. So when you're making the trade in this thing, you must wait a minute to break these two lines. Let me show another deadline here, because somebody they don't understand this strategy, but it's very helpful. Even you can put like a line like this. See, that means if the market can go beyond this line or below this line, it means the market will go to the same direction. So as you trader, where you can put the entry point there, make a trade you're trading. If the market go this one, beyond this one, beyond the above one, the blue line, the top blue line, it means the market continue in the same direction. But here you can't put, you not make an entry point. You must wait again up until the market reach this one, the previous trough, the previous crust. Where's the crust of the previous? Let me make it up until the market cross this line here. Now see, if the market cross this line, it means the market go to the back direction. That means there is the fully solid uptrend. So as you're trading, guys, please make sure you understand these lines and you understand the trading line of the market. Look the market, look the news, and look the trading time. It's very important when you're trading this kind of index. So can some people, maybe they say, this guy, they don't know what he's talking about. Let me show my profits. My profits, the balance with my profits here. This was my profits. This was my profit. For the years I have lost some money, but this strategy it give me this kind of the profit. I took the entry point during this morning, but this is the profit I get there. So guys, every time when you make the market, try to use the drawing lines perfect, and don't let the market, don't force the market, but wait the market to give you the direction. Especially when you're trading, use the big time frame. The day one, I prefer the day one time frame, because here is where the market is very calm down and can give you the clear direction. I like this one. But when you see the one candlestick opposite the next one, as we see here we see that we have the bearish candlestick now. So we must wait another bearish candlestick before we can say this market is going down. But when you see the single candlestick opposite the rest, wait, because here they might have the 50% chance to go back to its original direction. So what happened to you guys? You lose all your money. So here my short video for people who want to trade this kind of market. But fundamental, guys, is very important. Don't trade when the news is coming. Wait the news and look the direction after the news. Thank you guys. Please watch another videos. I will upload more videos with the different strategy, because this is not my only strategy to use when I trade this kind of index, but this one for me is very simple, because here we're just looking the only one candlestick, the day candlestick. Is very important, guys. If you understand this one, I hope you can make a better life in the forex. Even any pairs, you try to understand the day candlesticks. Very important, because this the day candlesticks, is the candlestick that carrying everything that will happen during that day, and can give you this good direction, what the next coming direction of the market. Thank you guys. I hope this video you can enjoy it. If you have any question or comment, please comment on my YouTube comment space. I will answer your question there. Please watch more my video on the YouTube. Thank you guys. Yabonga.